Hi everyone, I just want to go over what we are doing this week in FPC. So first thing is you guys have your properties and changes of matter test. So the first part of the test is just says part 1, and there are some matching and multiple choice questions in there. Make sure you guys have that formula for density written down so you can help yourselves with that. And then the second part is a discussion, and what you guys are going to do, I've already pre-placed some images in there, and you're going to select an image that nobody else has commented on, and then make a comment underneath that of what I asked you to do. So just remember, you're looking at the pictures, make sure nobody else has commented on it, and select one to answer the questions I put there. Then we're going to go into atoms in the periodic table. So in Edgenuity, you guys are going to do the lesson over atoms and a little review over that, elements, a review, periodic table, and then you guys are going to do an atomic math lesson after that. Here's a link for the interactive periodic table. It looks like this. You guys can click on any of those elements and it will give you the information up here for that. So please let me know if you guys need help this week. Otherwise, get the test done first and then go through Edgenuity and do atoms, elements, and the periodic table.